What is going on, guys, and welcome. So in this video we're going to be talking about the requirements that are needed to build an e-commerce website. So there are two requirements that we need to build an e-commerce website, and that is domain name and a web hosting. So how can we get a domain name and a web hosting? You have to go to hostgator.com, and then you can get a domain name and a web hosting. You have to basically buy them to host your website. So let's get started. First of all, we have to go to this button. We have to just click get started, and it's going to take us to the plan. So you can see that we have got this hatchling plan, we have got this baby, and a business plan. So since we are just starting it out, I would recommend you to go with this hatchling plan. If you want to go with this baby plan, it's so good. So let's hit this sign up now, and we will be taken to the hatchling plan. And now here, what we have to do, I will be giving you a coupon code. You have to just enter that coupon code, and your web hosting will turn into 60% off. So you will be getting 60% discount. If I just write WP Eco 60, you have to write here Eco 60, and then you have to hit validate. So it's gonna give you 60% off to the hosting. So you can choose for 36 months. If I'm buying for 36 months, you can see that it is for 144. If I want to buy it for 1 month, it would be 20% off only. So make sure that you buy for 3 year, and it's gonna be 60% off, and it's gonna give you for $144. Okay, so here what you have to do, you have to enter your domain name, and that can be anything that you want your website to be. So I can choose like TZFT, or my online bookstore, my online bookstore.com. Okay, so it's gonna search, since it is giving me that it is not available, so I'm gonna be searching for more thing. I would highly recommend you to go with .com domain instead of these .club or these stuff, because .com is a universal domain and you should be going with this. So if I just go with my online book site, let's search for this. So this is now available. What I have to do, this is $4.99 per year. So what I have to do, I have to go down. I have to select my plan, which is my plan. I can shift to baby as well. I would recommend you to go shift to baby, because baby gives you unlimited domains. But if you want to go with the hatchling, you can go with this. Now you have to enter your username here. You have to enter your security PIN. Here you have to enter your email address, your everything here, and then you have to go for a credit card. And now let me uncheck this. Let me uncheck this and uncheck this. So these are the add-ons. These are not much recommended. You can go with protect your website from hackers. This is highly recommended from HostGator, but it totally depends upon you. You can even secure your website from your own WordPress dashboard. So this is not recommended by me, but HostGator recommends this. So let's go down, and this is costing us $105. I think $100. So you can just buy this hosting, and then you have to make sure to enter this WP Eco 60, which is the coupon code. You have to just enter this, and your hosting will turn into 105. This is my affiliated coupon code. If you buy web hosting from them, I'm gonna get a hosting share or a commission. So you can even buy it for, you can even just upgrade your plan. If you want to test hatchling right now, you can even upgrade it to baby plan for free. So just don't hesitate and buy this HostGator hosting, and after that your hosting will be set up. But since we are here for just learning purposes, I am going to give you a bonus offer, and that is you can get a free domain and a web hosting, but this is not recommended for professional purposes. If you want to create a website just right now and start the professional method, then go with this HostGator. Well, if you want to learn it for your skill, then you can go with this ADSNX method. You have to enter adsnx.com, and you will be taken to the adsnx.com page where you just have to enter your domain name, and you will be given a free domain and a web hosting. So now you can see that the website is being loaded. I have to just hit register now, and I'll be taken to the register page where I have to enter my domain name. So I'm going to be entering my bookstore, mybookstore.adsnx.com. Here I have to enter my password, and now I have to enter my email address. And the email address that I will be entering would be, and now I have to enter the captcha. That is going to be 8147C. I have to hit sign up, and it's going to take me to the sign up page, and that says that an activation email has now been sent to this email address. So now you can see that my activation email has now been sent to my email address. Now what I have to do, I have to log into my account, and I will be getting an activation link. So let's visit this, and here let's hit sign in. And here we go. You can see that I am logged in. I have to go to other, it's not here. So since it is not here, what I'll do, I'll just go with the junk email. I'll open any of the junk email, and you can see that adsnx.com activation required. I have to just hit this, and here you can see that this is the order link that is here. I have to hit activate, and it's going to activate my account. And now you can see that my hosting is finally activated. So you can see username is created, and everything is being installed. So let's wait and let's see then how our hosting looks. Okay, now you can see that this is our web hosting, and this is a free web hosting that you can see. We have this username, we have our password, and we also have the cPanel URL as well. So thanks a lot guys for watching this. In the next video, we're going to log into our cPanel, and then we're going to install WordPress in it, and then we're going to customize that WordPress website, and we're going to create our e-commerce website. Goodbye.